Hello everyone, Scott Friesen here at Simpletivity, helping you to get more done and enjoy less stress. My goal is to help you save time and make your workday that much easier. That's probably why you're watching this video. But what I really love is being able to work with people directly. And that's why I created the RESET Productivity Masterclass. The RESET Productivity Masterclass is a 4-week online course where I teach you all about how to get more done in less time and how to simplify your technology. Now, if you don't know me, I'm a productivity coach and technology YouTuber. And for the past 10 years, I've helped thousands of people to get more done and enjoy their work so much more. And I apply these same principles to my own business, which allows me to work just 25 hours per week. So if you're wanting to accomplish more and in less time, this course is going to be really helpful to you. Now, you can review the entire course curriculum at the official RESET website, but basically, we'll be covering a new theme each week. In week 1, we're going to look at all of those distractions that get in the way of our day and help you select a note-taking tool that works for you. So if you're bothered by all of those interruptions, this first week is going to help you solve that problem. In week 2, we talk all about focus and how to prioritize all your tasks and projects. So even if it feels like you've got way too many things on your plate, I'm going to show you techniques so you can keep your workload under control. In week 3, we'll talk about creating the ideal productivity system just for you. We all work a little differently, so I'm going to give you a framework for finding the perfect software setup. Then in week 4, we'll talk about mastering your schedule and creating a balance between your professional and personal life. Because what's the point of being more productive if you can't enjoy your time away from work? Now, in addition to the course content, you'll also get access to the RESET online community. This is a place where you can ask me questions directly and also get to know other students, including past RESET graduates. On top of that, we will also have some special guests join us for some bonus sessions. These productivity experts will give us some additional insight on how we can get the most out of our day and the tools that we use. And best of all, you get to interact with them directly. So if this sounds interesting, you'll find a lot more information and details at simpletivity.com/reset. And if you still have questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope to see you at the next cohort, and then we can chat directly. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, being productive does not need to be difficult. In fact, it's very simple.